Hey guys, welcome to today's video. A little different. I'm a mess. I am going to color my hair at home today, and I thought, oh, maybe I'll just tape it because I know a lot of you guys like that. I'm going to I usually use my Color & Co, but I don't have any and I really don't want to wait for it to come in the mail at the moment, even though I really like how that result comes out, the color, but I also I always do my own hair color at home. So I'm using Loreal. This is L'Oreal Excellent Cream, and I got it because I love the color is dark chocolate brown, and I want that like chocolate look, which I feel like I kind of have, but it doesn't look like it now, but in the light, I feel like my golden blonde is coming through, like during the day more outside. I don't know. I mean, it doesn't look awful, don't get me wrong, but I just kind of want to coat it a little, and I do want some of these highlights to stay through though, so I'm obviously not a professional hairstylist, so I'm not sure about, I was thinking like the reverse highlighting, kind of like keep some out. Again, I'm not good at that, so I don't know. I might just like ignore some of these pieces when I use the coloring. How about that? I don't know how it's gonna come out. Guys, I like to experiment, you know? It's hair, it'll grow back, right? Okay, so we're gonna do this because my grays aren't that bad because I guess I didn't do coloring too far off. I'm just not liking the overall color at the moment. Oh, it looks so good here, right? Of course, that happens all the time. It's like when you're going to get a haircut, your hair comes out so good that day, you're like, do I really need this haircut? But I want to do it because I want it for the weekend, and I want to make sure I don't want to do it the day before the weekend comes and I'm sad and unhappy. Wouldn't be the first time. Guys, you can also see why I usually don't do second day hair. From a distance, it doesn't look that bad, right? But if you get close up, it's just frizzy. And I don't like, it's not that bad actually. What did I use? Oh, well, I used my Mixed Chicks yesterday. That's why. But my hair is still frizzy. So, second day is not bad as long as I have to keep it down for a while to get it to stay down, and then and guys, I gotta stop talking, I'm sorry. You guys are like, just get on with it already. The first thing I'm doing is covering my sink with a towel because my bathroom is a little on the newer side, and I actually got hair color once. I think it's finally came out, but it was on the wood part of my vanity. I thought my husband was gonna kill me. But I think it came out eventually. Wasn't good, so I'm gonna take precaution. Okay. You have your developer cream, you have your permanent color cream, and you actually have pre-color treatment. You can put those on the ends, and my favorite part is the conditioner. And it does come with this little gadget guy. I don't use this though. I like that the tip is sharp, and I just use that to, not sharp, but I use it to part my hair. And you get your little instruction kit, which comes with your gloves. I already know how to do it, so I don't really need to look at the instructions, but I do need my gloves. So what I'm gonna do is put my gloves on. And actually, I just realized why my hair, you can't see too many grays here, because I sprayed my root touch-up yesterday, so it's probably still there, that's why. This is more to change the color that I have. Kind of like just an overall color. I never really color my hair. I usually only do my roots, but I kind of been liking the consistency of the color throughout. So I'm just gonna open this guy up. It prepares your hair, like the fragile parts, mostly where you bleach on the ends. Don't go near the root. So now I'm going to prepare my color. Take the tip off. Open your coloring. Remove this red thing. And then put the top back on. Just by twisting it, you pretty much made an opening. See? Putting it in here. Guys, I have to use my other hand because I hurt my hand yesterday. I tripped on the stairs holding my laptop, and my whole hand, my left hand, and I'm a lefty, like my hands were full because I have to stop doing that. I crushed my hand with my laptop on, holding my laptop. So it's not broken. My fingers aren't broken, but these 3 fingers is still killing me. It's just bruised, I think. So let me just get all this in here. Now it's going through. Okay. Just make sure you twist that cap all the way. That's what I did not do. That's empty. Top goes back on. Finger over the top. Shake it up. Now, I am going to start my roots because I want my roots to be a little darker. And I got to be honest with you, I'm just going to go in the rest of my hair. I'm not going to go that crazy. Let's do this. You could do this at home. You don't have to spend a lot of money at the salon. You really don't, if you're comfortable doing it. But honestly, it's easier than it seems. And with practice, you save yourself a lot of money. I'll tell you that. A lot of my grays show like on the edges, so I really want to put a little extra there. I'm just doing this because I know I have gotten some. Just using toilet paper, literally. I just want to wipe it there. So now, because I want to kind of bring this color down, but I don't want to overdo it. So I just want to sit the roots for a little bit longer. Just a few more minutes. Because I don't want my hair too dark. Sometimes I color my hair and it's too dark and I'm like, what did I do? So I don't want to do this like, I don't want to keep it in my hair as long as I'm supposed to, put it that way. That, of course, is up to you. I'm going to start in the back more. And just kind of go down. I don't want to go all the way down. I'm just taking sections. Again, I'm not a professional hairstylist, so I don't know how it's going to come out, but I do color my hair a lot on my own, so I'm kind of used to it. I want to hold off in the front there because that's where my highlights are, and I kind of want to keep that. I'm not saturating each strand. I'm going in with my hand and kind of separating them. I saw the color coming in on my skin, so I thought I would just wipe it away. I mostly want this dark color to be underneath, so I'm really working under there. Again, I think just easier with curly hair. I just opened my door to get a little circulation in here. Hopefully you can still see. Don't forget your back. I know it's hard, but I kind of in my head could figure out. I don't even bother separating like my hair with clips. Again, I don't want to cover too much of those highlights. Just kind of going, I just want to brown it up a little, you know? So by putting my fingers through like this, I'm like, I don't want to go too much because I don't want to saturate my every strand. I just want to do some. And I know there's a way with it, but I'm not doing foils and stuff. I'm not a professional. I don't know what I'm doing, so I'll just do it a weirder way. Hey, this is what I do. I mean, you guys asked me if I color my own hair. I do, and do I do it? I just do it how I do it. And we'll find out how bad it comes out after. Hopefully not bad at all. That's all I'm gonna do. Doesn't seem like a lot, right? I have a lot left still. I normally would use the whole bottle, but again, I don't want to do that today. I'm going to take the next 5 minutes to clean up the bathroom because it's not showing now, but trust me, in about half an hour you're going to see stains in places that I didn't expect to see them. So I'm just going to do a quick wipe up and I'll be right back. It says to develop for 30 minutes. I don't want to go that long because I don't want it to be that dark. So I'm going to shower, wash my hair, and I'll be back. Okay guys, my hair has been rinsed, conditioned, and it's been sitting in this for about a half an hour, not even. I thought I had a couple of L'Oreal products, but I think I went through them all and I used them. So I'm just gonna use my Weed Dad Climate Control Stronghold Heat and Humidity Gel. It's a really rainy day today, so. Okay, now remember, I didn't leave my hair in that long that I should have because I didn't want it to be that dark. I just wanted like a hint of it. So I hope it comes out. Let's find out after I dry it. Again, I want to darken my hair just a little for the fall coming, you know, warm it up a little. I can't crunch up my finger. I have to use this finger. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, I didn't want to show too much of that because I didn't want you to see the color until I was done completely, and I'm very, very happy with the results. Let me get close up. Some of you might be like, oh my god, that's so dark, but do you see how I kept a lot of like the highlight in there to come through? So it's like chocolate. It's exactly what I wanted. It really is. It's exactly what I wanted. It has a dark undertone and then it has some light on top, and I love it. I really do. I love it for the fall weather coming. I think it does make me look a little more paler, but that's okay because I have to do my self-tanning anyway. But I really do like the way it came out. What do you guys think? My hair feels great. You know, every time I always say whenever I color my hair just feels softer and healthier. I know it used to be the opposite, but it really does. Looks, I love it. I love the way it turned out. You could do this, and I'm gonna tell you, if I left this in as long as I was supposed to, which is a full half hour, my hair would have been way too dark for me and for my liking. So you can control, in a way, the color, like depending on the time. You know, like even if the color looks a little too dark, but the shade before that a little too light, you could go with the dark color and just don't keep it in as long. Again, I am not a professional hairstylist, so I could be totally wrong, but it works for me. It works for me. That's what I do. So, yeah, I love it. And I know it's not going to last as long because I didn't leave it in as long, but it's okay. I mean, how often do I color my hair? If I have to do it again in a month, I'll do it again. But I like it. It definitely toned it down a little. It got rid of, did you see before? It's almost like, yeah, the reason I didn't like the color that comes through, which is, I've always bleached my highlights, so that color just always wants to come through, and unfortunately mixed with my color and the colors that I do, it kind of has like a mustard tone to it when it comes through, so I hate that. So I love the way it looks, so that's it. I'm so like, I don't know what's the right word, like when it comes to coloring my hair, I'm a little too laxy-davy, is that it? What's that word? Like I don't always get the same box because I honestly don't remember. I really don't. I never remember. But now I have this video because I like this color, and I'm going to watch this video when I color my hair next because I really like this. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you saw how easy it is to color your hair at home. And again, if you don't want to go too dark, just don't keep it in as long. That's my video. I will see you guys in the next video, and until then,